In New York City, every building has a story. But some buildings don't need to scream for attention because power speaks quietly. Right here, on one of the most prestigious streets in Manhattan, stands a skyscraper that holds more financial influence than most people could imagine. You might walk right past it without noticing, but behind its glass and steel, decisions are being made that affect markets, companies, and maybe even you. This is 345 Park Avenue. 345 Park Avenue is located between 51st and 52nd Streets, right in Midtown Manhattan, on one of the most iconic business corridors in the world. It was completed in 1969, designed by Emery Roth and Sons, the architects behind many of New York's post-war skyscrapers. The design follows the international style: clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a powerful presence. Standing at 634 feet tall with 44 floors and over 1 million square feet of space, it's not flashy like the Empire State Building or the Chrysler, but that's the point. It wasn't built to show off, it was built to work and to house people who run the world behind the scenes. So who's actually inside 345 Park Avenue? Let's start with the biggest name, Blackstone. This is one of the world's most powerful private equity firms. They manage over $1 trillion in assets, with influence across industries from real estate to tech to healthcare. Many of their top executives, including the CEO, have offices here. If you've ever read about $1 billion acquisition or real estate deal, there's a good chance it started inside this building. Then there's Loeb & Loeb LLP, a major law firm handling everything from entertainment to corporate law. And of course, the entire building is owned and managed by the Rudin family, one of the most powerful real estate dynasties in New York. So yes, this isn't just another office tower, this is elite territory. So now we know who's inside of the building. Now let's find out what happens inside of it. Inside 345 Park Avenue, things look pretty standard on the surface. High ceilings, marble lobbies, secure elevators. But the deeper you go, the more private and exclusive it gets. Whole floors are customized for single firms. There are secure conference rooms, executive suites with private bathrooms and kitchens, and some serious security measures. Rumor has it that Blackstone has floors here designed like trading floors, built for handling sensitive financial operations at the highest level. There's underground parking, executive entrances, and you'll rarely see these people in public areas. It's all about privacy, efficiency, and high-stakes business. Let's talk about rent in this building. You are looking at over $100 per square foot per year. That means even a modest office suite could cost hundreds of thousands annually. And yet, firms are lining up to get space here because this address, 345 Park Avenue, means something. In the world of business, perception is power. An office here tells clients, investors, and competitors, we are the real deal. With over 1 million square feet of commercial space, this building generates tens of millions of rental income every year, and its value easily crosses $1 billion, especially when you consider who's inside and what deals are happening here. New York is filled with iconic landmarks, but 345 Park Avenue isn't about tourists or photographs. It's about power. It's the kind of place where people making global decisions go to work quietly, and in a way that makes it even more fascinating than the buildings we see in the movies. So next time you are in Midtown, look up. You might be standing outside one of the most influential buildings in the world without even knowing it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.